could make an ice skating approved outfit. Cannot wait to start this. All right, ready, set, go. I feel like I can turn this into a shirt. I'm gonna cut stockings. Okay, this is like too easy. Gabby's like knitting in the other room. Wow. Hey guys, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Gabi.
And we are at our local ice skating rink to do a DIY challenge of who could make an ice skating approved outfit. It has to be cute, it has to be durable, and it has to be Instagram approved.
Watch till the end so you can see what's under our coats. Why is this so satisfying?
It's giving drag brunch.
I want these.
All right guys, so we are at the usual spot, Hobby Lobby. We have not filmed in here in a hot second.
I think a lot has happened since we filmed here.
Go to Hobby Lobby.
This is ugly. With the red.
I think I'm gonna turn this sweatshirt into a dress. And we're back to shop for the ice skating outfits. So we basically have to look around the whole store. The store has everything craft related you could even possibly think of. And we have to use what's in the store to make ice skating approved outfits.
So, Nikki and I are gonna split up. We're gonna have X amount of time to get everything we need to create our handmade figure skating competition outfits.
And let me remind you, these are all no-sew because we don't know how to sew. So it also has to be hot glue approved. All of this is gonna be
I'm just
tricky.
gonna let you roll with the hot glue because there are other options if you don't know how to sew. But I'm not going to give advice to my competitor.
Whatever.
I'm crafty and I've been designing clothes for almost a year now, so I think I'm gonna win.
I mean, I've always loved fashion and I'm pretty clever and innovative myself, so we'll see.
All right, ready, set, go.
I feel like I can turn this into a shirt if I buy enough of these. I think this could be a base underneath. It has like the skirt, like the figure skater skirt. I should also make like little leg warmers. That would be so cute. We're going white. I didn't expect this from me.
So my strategy is I'm doing the Nutcracker Ballet. I'm gonna get these two fabrics to do like a really cute like flowy skirt with like cinched with bows. I'm gonna cut the bows off the baby headbands. I got some ribbon if I want to do like little bows or like accessorize or like wear the ribbon in my hair. This is like a cute little like baby outfit, and like right now I'm just thinking about the top. You need like some sort of stencil to glue to. I'm using liquid stitch. Nikki says glue gun. You can sew with glue. It's called no-sew glue. But I'm gonna find like a base leotard to like sew everything to. Go away. Go away.
Alright guys, so I saw Gabi's cart. I accidentally ran into her and I'm glad I did because there's a few things. I feel like everything I'm picking out, even though it's wintry, it's very Gabi. And I don't think I'd actually wear that fuzzy of an outfit to go ice skating. It makes me want to change the color. My go-to is black. And also I saw Gabi had like fabric in her cart. She's actually gonna make something like she would actually wear, not like a costume. So I'm gonna put together an outfit I would actually wear. So we're gonna get rid of all this. Good news is they do have black aprons. I'm gonna get 2 of these to make a skirt.
I'm gonna cut stockings to make the bodice. I'm cutting up these stockings, not the other ones, because I want like a fur trim. And I'm gonna stitch with this like brown yarn. I'm gonna like sew these pieces together so it looks like corset vibe. The sleeves are gonna be these garters like around my arms. Now I have to go get my knitting needles. Yeah, crochet hook. All right guys, so I'm gonna go check out and I cannot wait to start this. I just really need to find out if Nikki has a mannequin bodice, because if not, I'm about to buy one right now.
Alright guys, so I'm fixing up my hair because I just found out that we also have to take an Instagram photo. So this all has to be also Instagram worthy. So I'm already wearing the head warmer as a top. I'm not done with the top, but this is the base of my outfit. I tend to build my outfits on me. If you guys remember the quarantine videos, Gabi always like builds it on like a mannequin. I saw her moving around her cart with a mannequin, so she probably is doing that. I bought a lot of multiples of things just in case I f it up because my outfit is actually pretty simple, but if it works out, it's gonna look really good, but if it doesn't, I'm actually gonna be screwed. Oh, cute. Okay. I'm like a little like waitress. This is literally cute. All right, we're just gonna tie this here for now because I don't know what I'm gonna do with the strap. It has like a little slit. Why is this cute? Now the top, we're gonna play with this scarf, and then I also bought a beanie. Everything is very like black knit vibes. This might fit. Yeah, this is cute. So I made a bolero out of a scarf, and I weirdly do like the little like fringes. I've never seen a bolero look like this. I used hair ties, black hair ties, to just cinch where it needed to be cinched. And it is warm. Okay, this is like too easy. I almost feel bad. I feel like Gabi's like knitting in the other room or something. I'm like really happy with my outfit. I'm shocking myself that this is like looking real. I want this to go over the ice skate. And that's it. I didn't have to use glue, no sew, glue, hot glue. I didn't have to sew. I'm ready to go ice skate. Wow. Curlers. No, I'm taking this out. Oh. Okay, so come here. Did you sew? What? Gabi, she like went all out. Because I had like this vision in my head of what I want my dress to look like, and I'm like, well, if it's in my head, so we'll bring it to life. I want to be like, it's very fairy vibes. Like Nutcracker, right? Wow. I don't think anyone's gonna guess you made this. Really? Way too much effort. Did you make this? No, those were in the wedding aisle, the garters. Are these like aprons? Yeah. How'd you get the edges so good? It was an apron. I didn't have to do anything. I just tied it. And then underneath, I'm wearing like one of those head warmers. And then this is a beanie with the top cut off. And then this is a scarf. And then these are hair ties. Whoa. I kind of improvised. That's a lot easier than a stocking. I cut up stockings. You really went the hard route. So obviously they're cute in their own different ways, but now it's time to see, are these ice skating approved? And are we gonna like show a nipple? Are we gonna like fall on our ass? Is it something gonna fall off? Is it practical? Yeah, now we have to test the durability of these outfits. And we're also gonna take Instagram and feed pictures to trick you guys and see if you guys know that they're made by us or if you thought we bought them. All right, let's go. Isn't it adorable? Nutcracker on it.
I should have broke these in when I had the chance.
Okay, ready? Update on my outfit. It's definitely durable. Like I can like move in this and I'm having fun. But this is an issue. I keep having to pull it up. It's the same reason we hate strapless bikinis, girls. Am I right? Like in the ocean, it's like no. Same thing. So we couldn't pick a winner because we both loved our outfits in the end. And I think Gabi nailed her style and I think I nailed my style. And at the end of the day, our inner children came out and we just had fun ice skating and we didn't want to ruin the fun and pick a winner, so.
No. Be careful. My nose,
So because we couldn't decide on who won, it's up to you guys. So you guys comment and vote in the comments.